Stuck in Alight Motion with the dreaded link verification failed error preventing you from diving back into your projects? Let's end that frustration right now. Often, the simplest solution is the best. First, check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. Sometimes a weak or interrupted signal can cause verification issues. Try switching between Wi-Fi and data or reconnecting to your network to refresh the link. If your internet is solid, it might be time for a quick app refresh. Force close Alight Motion on most Android devices. This means going to your phone settings, then apps, finding Alight Motion, and tapping force stop on iOS. Quickly swipe up from the bottom of the screen and then swipe the Alight Motion app card upwards to close it. Once closed, reopen the app and try verifying again. Outdated versions can also lead to compatibility problems. Update Alight Motion to the latest version. Head to your device's app store. Search for Alight Motion, and if an update is available, tap the update button. This often resolves many internal glitches and verification bugs. If the issue persists, your account credentials might need a nudge. Log out and log back into your Alight Motion account within the app. Find your profile or account settings, select the logout option, and then sign back in with your credentials. This can reestablish a fresh connection with the Alight Motion servers. For a deeper reset, clear Alight Motion's cache. This won't delete your project files, but it can resolve corrupted temporary data. Go back to your phone settings. Then apps, find Alight Motion, go to storage, and tap clear cache. After clearing, restart the app and try verifying the link once more. Still no luck? It might be time to check Alight Motion's official support channels. Visit their website or social media pages for status updates or community forums where other users might be experiencing and solving the same problem. This ensures you're aware of any broader network issues or specific solutions. With these steps, you should be back to creating amazing videos in no time. If this helped, give us a like and subscribe for more Alight Motion tips.